Alright, folks. I'm back. And I'm feeling really good about myself. You know what I'm saying? So, without further delay, it's showtime. Thank you. Hey, thank you very much. That is why I won't do 2 shows tonight anymore. I won't do it. I can't. Yeah, he knows what I'm talking about, man.
You do not want his help.
On the side. I'm feeling a little flat.
Don't even say his name. You do not want his help.
Take your handbook and go to the 6th floor. However, there are no mirrors on this side. I'm feeling a little flat.
And I tell you something, if I knew then what I know now, I wouldn't have had many accidents.
Strange and unusual.
Please take it seriously. Let's get down to business. I got a couple of dudes. Hey, you bunch of losers!
You?
Come a little closer, step right up and test your strength. She's a little nice. Maybe I should answer for her, okay?
I'm Lydia Dietz, and I'm a sound mind. And to me, it's what I know. You asked me to. Yes.
Do 2 shows a night in 4 days. I won't do it. I won't. Thank you. That is why I won't.